here. Windows are getting done tomorrow. We're gonna have some beautiful new windows. Obviously a new door. Yes, so today is not demo day, but I feel like we've been demoing, like demo can last a month because we are ripping out the walls. There was this wood paneling all over, so we're taking that out and we're just starting fresh, new, clean, crisp white. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, let's do that. All right, you guys, so today is day 5, I believe, of demo. We are actually currently in the kids' room and we will be taking off all of this paneling. It's actually really nice paneling. We were considering just leaving it and then painting it white. This is really nice paneling from like Spain or something, but I just decided we're gonna just rip it all out, start fresh, start new. And you will see throughout the video, we still do have the carpet in, and that's because we discovered that there's hardwood floors. So we want to protect them. So we're leaving on the carpet until we are ready to polish and sand the floors. And then we'll just go ahead and rip out the carpet and then, but yeah, today we are demoing the kids' room and it's taking us a little longer than expected, but it's all right. Because you know what, we're saving thousands of dollars doing all of this ourselves, and it's literally the easiest job. I mean, it's very labor intensive, but it feels good. You know, it's very therapeutic for me. So I'm just ripping everything out and I'm sweating. I'm literally putting sweat equity back into this house. So it's great, saving us thousands of dollars. So I'm here for it. All in a day's work, took off that plywood paneling. Today we're getting our windows installed, so it's a big day over here. Drinking my coffee, and I need mosquito repellent. Ah, they're biting me. There's a bug on me.
But we would need to do that.
Got a window.
Because once the unit's in, I mean, I say that.
All right, you guys, so we are currently in week 3 and we've done all of the demo. So as you can see behind me, we took off all the sheetrock. So now we're gonna insulate and then put new sheetrock over that so it stays nice and warm when it's, you know, cold, and then it stays cool when it is hot. Yeah, fun things around here. You guys, this place was a mess.
El drain.
¿Cómo se llama?
Sink.
El zinc.
El zinc. El zinc. Ok, eso quedaría igual, ¿verdad?
Sí queda bien ahí, ¿no?
Sí, creo que sí queda igual.
Sí. Ve un poquito medio movido.
Un poquito
pero-
las líneas. Esto lo puedo mover por aquí.
Como usted diga.
Okay, we are rolling.
So we're gonna say we have plumbing, electrical, and HVAC.
What are we doing? I have no idea what we're doing. Like, you didn't tell me what to do.
We're just doing plumbing, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, HVAC. Today we
I know,
are
but what are we talking about?
the plumbing, electrical, and HVAC.
I know you keep saying the same words, but I don't know what that even means. Like, I know what they mean, but I don't know what we're doing. Like, what's the video about? Yes,
Like we've opened all the walls,
got it.
and now we have plumbing, HVAC, and electrical happening.
Okay,
So all new that.
okay, cool. Do you want me to explain anything, or do you want me to like?
Nope, everything is just new.
Okay, cool.
Alright, just turn on your humor.
I'm
Yeah.
really hard right now.
You smell.
I smell good.
They can't smell your cologne through
Yes,
the
they can.
screen. No, they cannot.
Yes, they can.
It's really strong.
I had to take a shower. I took a shower. I shaved. I did it all for you guys.
Okay, maybe they can tell like the whole
Oh, okay.
shaving,
I
but they
did.
cannot
I
smell you.
removed the scruff.